Hello guys, now let's talk about Jamaa. So, Jamaa is without doubt the heartbeat and the center of Marrakech. This big square is the UNESCO heritage that is full of different kinds of activity during the day and afternoon. And there groups every day and numerous artists who sing and dance in front of people. Snake charmers, animal handlers, fortune tellers, storytellers, henna lady, and so on. Also, in El-fena, you will find a lots of shops and stores where you can buy different goods, and especially the stores of handicraft. But you have to be aware that if you try to take a photo of someone, be sure that he will demand money from you. And to avoid that, I recommend you to have a seat on the roof of some cafe next to the square, so that you can take a fascinated photos and shots like I did when I was filming this course. So that's the most important thing about Jamaa. See you in the next lecture.